Rabbit.
Presents. Can you open it?
Rabbit.
You can rip it.
It's wrap. Yeah. Briar, can you help her?
Oh, brother, can I help you?
Today
Don't do
is
it for her. Just
today
tuck
is
it up,
No
okay?
Pants Wednesday.
Rabbit.
Oh, Daddy, you're breaking the rules.
I'll take them off. Right, just help her. Don't do it for her, okay?
Go ahead and take them off now, Daddy. I won't record you.
Yeah, right. All right, Anna, can you help Ryan now? Anna,
What is it?
Anna, let Anna rip it, Ryan.
Here, sweetie. This.
This. Why don't you open it with brother?
What do you think you got, sweetie?
What is it, Anna?
Daddy.
A show? So you guys can learn your letters and reading?
This.
Say thank you. Anna, say thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.